I've been walking life with my eyes closed, like a white ghost, lost in the time zone. Thinking back on the years, where did they go? I'm still alone, I'll take a new road. Every moment I live like it's my last. Let the days never fade, let go of the past. Remember every tear, every single laugh. I'm never going back. More regrets, apprehension in my way. My soul is escaped, no fear of the pain. Every time I forget just where I am, there's no need for a plan. I'll land where I land. Every moment I live like it's my last. Let the days never fade, let go of the past. Remember every tear, every single laugh. I'm never going back. When there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing what deep down I felt for you. Oh, I regret for losing the one who loved me, for who I can't go back to. Walking through all the dust and reason frame, a past we simply left be. But I don't close the door, waiting a chance for when we'll be back again. You make me feel so crazy, still in love with you. You make me feel amazing when I'm next to you. You make me feel so crazy, my heart breaks for you. Can't help but know that I'm still in love with you. You make me feel so
Manila.